Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we will work on redirection in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. So we will change the domain through plugin, domain URL in WordPress. This is our blog section and this is our button, and when I open this page, this open different page, this not open blog page directly. So here you see this is by default link in blog section, so we will change it through redirection plugin. Basically our blog page's link is this is our blog page, so we will use redirection plugin. So go back to dashboard and now here you see plugin and click on add new plugin, and here try redirect. Now you see redirection plugin, so click on install. Now plugin is installed and now click on activate it. Now plugin is activated and now go to setting, and in setting you see redirection. Here you see setting and here you see redirection, click on it. So we will redirect this URL to this URL. This is our default URL, so we will change this URL to this URL by redirection plugin. So this is redirection. So click on start setup and then here you see setting, you will change according to your requirement and click on continue setup and finish setup. Click on finish. I used this plugin before, that's why they show default WordPress old slugs. So click on continue and here you see, so I will delete this all, but here is current URL, copy this and here you see add new redirection, source URL, copy here, and this is our another URL. So this URL, when open this, then redirect to this URL. So here add target URL and group is redirection, or select match in any order. So you can select any option according to your requirement and then click on add redirect. Now here you see this is category block and redirection to this URL. Now refresh the home page and now go back to bottom of section. Here you see this is our button and then click on it, and here you see redirection work and blog page is open. So in this way you can add redirection in your website through plugin. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.